Welcome! If you're tired of Snapchat showing message previews on your lock screen, especially those unread chat reminder notifications, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to hide that content so your messages stay private even when your phone is locked. Let's get straight to it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app and notification controls live. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. Now find and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app's settings, where you can manage permissions, storage, and notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different types of alerts Snapchat can send you. Look for an option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This is where Snapchat breaks down its notifications into specific types, so you can control each one individually. Scroll through the list until you find Unread Chat Reminder, then tap on it. This is the notification responsible for reminding you about unread messages, often showing part of the message right on your lock screen. Now tap on Lock Screen. You'll see a few display options here. Choose Hide Content. This setting ensures that while you'll still get notified, the actual message content won't be visible unless you unlock your phone. And that's it. From now on, your Snapchat unread chat reminders will stay private, giving a peace of mind when your phone lights up in public or around others. If you found this helpful, consider checking your other notification settings too. A few small changes can make a big difference in protecting your privacy.